It's okay.
Name a place where you might hear bells ringing. Name something women pressure men into doing. Name a reason a woman says she prefers older men. When someone says they're having work done, tell me what kind of work. If a man could get pregnant, name something he would have trouble giving up for 9 months. Time's up, teams. Let's check the answers.
Dominated.
Now what?
This one's tough. I don't know the first one.
You don't have the first one?
I wrote something.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Antique shop. I don't know.
Oh my god, that sounds bad, but I don't know what the question is.
Bells?
Yeah.
An antique shop?
Church? You didn't write church?
Apparently Lexi should have gone.
Church? Is that what you put, Tim?
School.
I was thinking church, but I like school better.
I put antique shop.
That is so...
It was hard.
Now you have to get all 5 correct?
No.
You need all
You
five.
just get the points for each one.
Alright.
Watch.
Church,
Knew it.
marriage, or
Marriage, that's what I put.
Nailed it.
mature,
Nice.
I
experience.
put that.
Good.
I put money.
Wrong.
What? I think you put mature.
What's that one?
Oh, having work
Plastic
done?
surgery.
I put plastic surgery too. I put beer.
Drinking.
It says alcohol.
So we got the same ones right, so they won. I need a church.
What do you have to say for winners?
We got the
What
got
else
the
is new?
dorky looking guy though, right? We got glasses for the nerd.